So if you notice in your bathroom sink, you're seeing water is constantly sitting around on the top, or you having rings of water constantly around here, even after you clean it, come back the next day, you're seeing the same thing. It could be because you're having a leak that's coming from the handle on either side of your faucet. If you turn the water on, so you see water is accumulating. Water drips on the side, on the back, on the front, and it just accumulates here. The handles, each of the handles have a rubber gasket or like a seal that deteriorates over time. So there's several ways to go about fixing this. You can just replace the gasket that is in here. This is for the hot side and this one for the cold side. You can take it out, bring it to your home improvement store and match it. And then the other option is to actually replace the faucet. So this is what you would need if you just want to fix the leak. It's called a faucet stem. This is from Everest. It's a universal one that will fit most faucet for the hot side. Now all you need is you just need a tool that will be able to remove the handle. For this faucet, I just need like an Allen key that's gonna fit in here. Once you do that, you should be able to just lift it up. Okay, so next thing you need to do, you need to be able to remove this piece here, and then you should be able to remove the top. Now in order for you to do this, you need a wrench. You can go small, you can go medium. So something like that. I forgot to mention, you want to shut off the hot water, your water line. Shut that off because you make a mess. Shut off the water first, because if you don't, this is just gonna fly out and water's gonna be going everywhere. Now once you remove the old piece right here, you're gonna remove this and you're gonna find these two additional things in there. One is a rubber, one is a spring. You want to put the rubber in the hole right here this way, and then you put the spring in it. Put the rubber down. Okay. Squeeze it in there, make sure it's flush. Alright. Then you have the spring, and then you put the spring down in it. You have one side is bigger than the other side. It's tapered, so you want to put the smaller side in first. Okay, now that's in. Now you see the new one, it has like a notch. Okay, that notch goes into either side of the faucet. I recommend you just put it back the same way. So the problem that I'm having is that I put the spring last. The spring should go first. Okay, so you want to put the spring and the rubber together like this. Then we put it in here. Okay, so the water's turned back on and no water's coming out. If we turn it on it's on. Got no leaks coming. Off, water shuts off. So that's how you replace the faucet stem when you're having a leak on the handle. And the leak should stop.